it's Brooke with WTI.
If you're looking to hydrate the area around your eyes, it's going to be really easy to do with this Total Eye Care series I found so helpful by OOTD. It really makes a big difference for me when I take a little effort and hydrate the area around my eyes. It's not something that I can hide when I'm out in public, so I like that it has these 4 different serums and this one overnight cream. And for me, I do need to depuff, and there's a lot of other things like dark circles, anti-wrinkle, and all of these ingredients are really trending because they've been known to help with a lot of our needs, such as vitamin C, caffeine, retinol, hyaluronic acid, to name just a couple. So I appreciate not only the ingredients, but how well these serums and cream work. They do absorb into my skin, even in the more delicate areas. And I feel like once it's absorbed, and it gives me that more bouncy, skinful, youthful appearance that I'm looking for. The fragrance is lovely and smells delightful and very clean. If you are just not sure how to tackle all your eye care needs, this has been really helpful for me and simplified.
I love it, but that's just my point of view.